guys, hey, how's it going? So you guys saw the beginning of this video. So this unit that I'm sporting today is from MyFirstWigs.com. This is a Silky straight 12-inch unit, and it's a 99J style unit. So it's only dark rooted just a little bit, and then it comes out to this pretty kind of red burgundy cherry color. Now I will list the actual name of this unit down below or insert it right here for you guys if you guys want to know this unit. Now the lace color on this one is a medium brown, and it is a glueless lace cap. So I didn't have to glue down the unit this time just because the unit fit really well on my head. So ear to ear, the ear tabs actually laid down pretty flat with this unit, so I didn't really have to do anything at all. Now, I really like this just because how simple and fluffy the hair is. It's very nice and kind of like a nice bounce. It originally came in a middle part style, but I was like, I didn't really like the middle part style too much with it just because I wanted to kind of have some volume to my right side. So basically what I did was side part the hair. I did kind of trim the baby hairs a little bit, and I basically did kind of like a side part and then kind of did like a curl or kind of more of a bounce in the front, so therefore I could have not like a sweep bang but almost like a cascading bang that will kind of partially cover my eye a little bit, but not to the extent where it's kind of gonna obstruct my vision. But I do like this, guys, and all I did to I added some texturizing spray on it just to kind of give it more of a texture. This is Silky straight, and I'm kind of like a iffy with Silky straight hair, but I wanted to see what this one looked like. And if you do like yucky hair, just adding a little bit of texturizing spray kind of gives it a little bit of its own look, a little bit of its own texture, hence texturizing spray. But I do think that it's really nice. I do love the color. The cut is really like a bob cut, like a bowl bob cut or bob or whatever. Obviously in the front right here it's a little bit longer, but if you do split it back in the middle part, it'll end up being just like that. But because I carried over some hair this way, I do kind of have a little bit more length on this side. But I think it looks really cute like this. It's kind of like one of those perfect, you know what? It is a perfect bob. This is like a perfect bob with a little feathered bang. So I don't know. I just really like this a lot, guys. The hair is super bouncy. You guys can see it's like super bouncy. The baby hairs are really pretty on this one. I just trimmed them really lightly and added some powder just to kind of pop it out a little bit. So I do like this a lot, guys. The color is definitely a fall winter inspired color. So if you're a 99J type of girl or kind of like a cherry red type of girl, this unit is going to be perfect for you. I'm really impressed, and you guys know I love MyFirstWigs.com. Every single unit that I've gotten from that company has been excellent, and I'm not saying that because I'm reviewing for them. I'm saying it because honestly, like, let's go. Alright guys, so I'll leave all the information down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing this baby from MyFirstWigs.com. Do not forget to check out my other MyFirstWig reviews. I have a bunch of them, and you guys know I love this company. So don't forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, guys. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!